Continuity. Line drawn without lifting the pen from the plane is continuous. If we lift the pen while drawing, then line becomes discontinuous. Consider the function. Here f of x is 1 if x is less than 0. When y is equal to f of x, y is equal to 1. And f of x is 2 if x is greater than 0. Y is equal to 2. Observe this graph. We can't draw this graph without lifting the pen from the plane. This graph is discontinued at the point x is equal to 0, except the point at x is equal to 0. In all other points, this function is continuous. Let's take another example. In this function, value of the function at x is equal to 0 is 2. In remaining all other points, value of the function is equal to 1. So, this function is continuous at all its points except the point at x is equal to 0. Mathematically, continuity is defined as a function is continuous at x is equal to c if the function is defined at x is equal to c and if the value of the function at x is equal to c equals the limit of the function at x is equal to c. If f is not continuous at c, then f is discontinuous at c, and the point c is called as point of discontinuity of f. Let's take an example. Here, the function f of x is equal to 2x plus 3 is defined at the given point x is equal to 1. And its value is 5. By applying limit to the function as x tends to 1, we get 5. The value of the function at x is equal to 1 is equal to the limit of the function at x is equal to 1. So, this function is continuous at the point x is equal to 1. A real function is said to be continuous if it is continuous at every point in the domain of f.